Does God really care if I do a mitzvah or not? What is the answer?
No.
Yes or no?
So,
If you think no, raise your hand.
says in the
If you think yes, raise your hand. Undecided, undecided, undecided. Abstain, abstain, abstain. No vote. It says in the Maimer, Im tzadakta matitan lei v'rabba peshecha matasa lei. That's what you say on your bar mitzvah when you're starting to do mitzvahs. The first thing you have to be told when you become a bar mitzvah is that it's not really so important. How strange is that? Look at the words carefully. Im tzadakta matitan lei. Translate that into English.
You're right.
Hmm?
You're righteous one. What do you give me?
Right. It doesn't say, if you put on tefillin, what are you giving him? It says, if you're a tzaddik, what are you giving him? Huge difference. On the level of Seviv Kol Almin, the tzaddik and the rasha are exactly the same, as long as you put on tefillin. What does Seviv Kol Almin want? That you should be a tzaddik? Nope. Just put on tefillin and keep kosher and keep Shabbos and all 613 mitzvahs. On a lower level, you do mitzvahs to be a tzaddik. On a higher level, whether you become a tzaddik or not is not important. Just do the mitzvah. Because the mitzvah is important, not your tzidkis. That makes sense? When you ask a Jew to put on tefillin in the street, you're making him into a tzaddik? He'll never be a tzaddik. So why bother? Because the Eibishter doesn't need him to be a tzaddik. The Eibishter needs him to put on tefillin. Is there a madrege in the Eibishter where he doesn't need you to put on tefillin? Absolutely not. On the lower level, he wants you to put on tefillin and become a tzaddik. That's the shvua. Tehi tzaddik v'al tehi rasha. On a higher level, say you are a tzaddik, you're not a tzaddik, that's not important. Do the mitzvah. Higher than Seviv Kol Almin, in the Eibishter himself, in Atzmus, are the mitzvahs still important? Over there, they are more important. So there is no part of the Eibishter where the mitzvah is not important. That explains everything in Chassidus. Tanya is not for tzaddikim. It's for beinanim. Well, if you're not going to be a tzaddik, being a beinani is like coming in second. You're a loser. No, it's not. A beinani is more important than a tzaddik. Tzaddikim exist in order to help beinanim. But the main avodah, the real project, is the beinani. And what if he fails and he's not a beinani? He's a rasha v'tevlei. On some level, that bothers the Eibishter. On a higher level, so he's not a beinani, but he puts on tefillin. That's what counts. And that's why they never did kiruv until recently. Because they didn't see the point. If you're frum, you're frum. If you're not, you're not. If you're frum, you have to do mitzvahs. You're not frum, you don't have to. Because it was all for you. You don't want to be a tzaddik, you don't want to be a Talmud Chacham? Fine. The Eibishter doesn't care. Which is such apicursus It's worse than Avodah Zarah. To say that the Eibishter doesn't care about his Torah, that is like the worst insult you can possibly give it. He gave us a Torah, but he doesn't really care. That is so pathetic.